Now I got a name. It's just like yesterday. I woke up in a dream or a sing. Now I got a name. It's just like yesterday. I should've passed away. It's just like yesterday. What more can I say? It's just like yesterday. Thinking I'm insane. It's just like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I was rocking in my dream. Yeah, my mama tell me, oh, what kind of invitation is that? Say, Daddy, your boy was going crazy. I said, no, my God. He said, no, yo, your boy's good. He's so dope. He could take over the world, move the wars, manufacture wars, with permitters on the walls. Speak to my mind, manufacture river means Kendrick says that bulletproof. Yes, I'm the proof. Right. People look at me as a war of automation in my nickname. This is a new age. There is one for strategic thinking. Or rather, should I say, get used to my soul regrets. Yes, lose your breath, get a sweat. Yeah, it's just like yesterday. I woke up in a dream, but I see you. Now I got a name. It's just like yesterday. I woke up in a dream like a king. Now I got a name. Yeah, it's just like yesterday. I should have passed away. It's just like yesterday. It's just like yesterday. The thinking I'm insane. It's just like yesterday. There's two loose nigga. You know the rules, you know the rules. You get the right nigga. I came from the nigga for the fuck about. Told you that. Move out, telling me. Move out, I'm telling me. Yeah, from everywhere you know. Got the heavy with the low. Yeah, get the blow. Take man to the shoulders, man to the soul. Take it to Twitter everywhere you go. I want them to know. It's just like yesterday. Yeah, it's just like yesterday. Yeah, give it up to Big Creek in New York, my friend. Nigga. Yeah, dedicated to the speech to you. Call me over soon. Take your hey, nigga. Paul. Yeah, I'm a Black Panther now. They say my name. Niggas are giggling. Everybody was thinking like the bricks in the picking. Yeah, so dedicated. I got it for a reason. I got it for myself. Anything I'm trying to be handsome. I look good, niggas laughing. Get the ransom. Pay back to my place. It's just like yesterday. I woke up in a dream like a king. Now I got a name. Yeah.